Alright y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have grilled steak kebabs, that's right. Here's the list of ingredients. You want fresh, that's the best, guys. Take a look, pause it if you have to. Super short list of ingredients. I'm telling you, this is super simple and so delicious. Guys, I'm ready. You ready? Let's go! Very important, guys. First things first, wooden skewers, soak them in water so they don't burn. If you've got metal ones, use them. If not, soak your skewers so they don't burn. Alright guys, take your sweet Vidalia onion. You're gonna come in here and just cut it into quarters. That's right, just like you see here. Chop it into quarters, guys, because you know what we want? We want big chunks of onion. That's right, we are gonna put these onto the skewer. So just peel them apart, guys, like you see me doing here. Doesn't have to be a perfect fit, not have to be a perfect size. As you can see right here, we're just trying to get a rough chop. Alright, now comes your bell peppers, your green peppers, your red peppers, your yellow and orange. That's right, go ahead, slice these down. Look at that right there. Alright guys, by the way, save this. Plant it in your garden. See, hey, she stole a pepper. Alright, go ahead and continue to chop up your peppers. As you can see right here, just give them a good chop. And with the power of time lapse, your chopping is done, guys. Take a look at these peppers. Not perfect, a rough chop, that's what you want. Different sizes, good to go. Alright, now comes your meat, guys. Take a look. You just want to chop up your meat. They don't have to be uniform. In fact, having them different sizes, as you see right here, is perfect because you're going to stick them on the stick and just get them cooked different sizes. Now, guys, take your corn on the cob. That's right, I put corn on the cob on my kebabs. Get it? Corn on the cob, kebabs. Haha, really corny joke. Sorry. Get these cut up, just slice them, and then what you guys are going to want to do is get you a pot of water. Yep, see it right here? Go ahead and add in your corn. Just do a quick boil. I'm talking as soon as this comes up to boil, let it boil for about 3 minutes. You just want to soften that center of the corn. Alright, the next step, get you a Ziploc bag and throw in your meat into this bag. Why? You're going to see why right here coming up. Take your oil, pour it into the bag, and follow that oil up with your seasoning. That's right. We are going to zip this up and mix it together real well. Shake it like you have never shaken something before. Rub it all in there, shake it all in there. Doesn't matter how you get it done, just keep shaking it. You just want this seasoning to be incorporated. That's what you're looking for. Once you do that, just let this stuff sit and marinate in it. All right, guys, here you go. Look at this. Everything's chopped up, ready to go. Get your soaked skewers and pierce that corn. Look at that. That's right. It's been softened up. It's still pretty hard, but that's okay because it's the center of the corn cob. It's going to be hard. Take your meat, put it on there. Then you're going to go ahead and hit it with a cherry tomato. Follow that up with either your onion, your peppers. It doesn't matter which way you want to do this. As you can see, I'm using a green bell pepper. Guys, this is your kebab. You can make it different than what you see me doing here. The whole idea of this is to go ahead and make it yours. That's right. Guys, you can put whatever you want. I've seen zucchini. I've seen pineapple. In fact, I love putting pineapple on here along with pieces of pork. I'm telling you, those are some really good kebabs. The sky is the limit when it comes to kebabs. But what you see here is what we picked up at the store. Look how beautiful that is. It's just incorporated real good. Guys, just go ahead, get you some skewers. Go ahead and do it. We're going to time lapse it for you guys and just get it all done. Have you guys ever had a kebab? Maybe you speak a different language. Maybe you have another one. Tell me what you call them. I know my wife and her family, they call these pinchos in Spanish. Guys, they got different names, but take a look at these. They are amazing, guys. They're ready to go. By the way, points for you if you want to throw in a little bit of barbecue sauce or some teriyaki sauce. Put them on the grill, guys. Get them on there, low heat. Let these puppies cook. Because, guys, plate this up. We got some taters and some baked beans. And, yeah, hey, give me my plate. I'm telling you, one day. Guys, thank you so much for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with that country twist. As always, thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. And we'll see you back in the kitchen real soon.